around 8.5 years, is having a recurrent cough, temporarily subsided with the medications or nebulization or something. But carefully examine, this patient has a significant turbinate hypertrophy, as well as in the throat, the child has a postnasal dribbling. And that's why whenever he is awake or just before the sleep, he starts coughing that way, and which irritates the cough.